Wow, it's a beautiful and sunny day outside. I think I'm going to watch the clouds in the sky.
I'm going to turn Joe Brown into a giant by making him sneeze. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no. I am now a giant.
There. Now that Joe Brown's a giant, I'm going to throw Alexander on his shoulder.
Hey, you better put me down right now. Ouch. That hurts.
Oh my gosh. Alexander. Are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine. I bet Dark Red is the one who turned you into a giant and threw me onto your shoulder.
Oh really?
Oh no. I'm totally busted.
That's right, Dark Red. How dare you turn me into a giant by making me sneeze and throw Alexander onto my shoulder? Why on earth did you even do that for?
It's because I thought it would be fun to put experimental ingredients on this potion. That's why I turned you into a giant and threw Alexander on your shoulder.
We don't care. Joe is going to take you to prison for this.
No 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 no.
This is your cell. You will stay there for 3 months. Oh, you have some visitors who want to see you.
Dark Red. I can't believe you turned Joe Brown into a giant by making him sneeze and threw Alexander on his shoulder. You should know that turning someone into a giant could make people think he or she is a giant monster. Not to mention, you just threw someone on a giant's shoulder. That's assault and battery.
Hellcat Charger Red is right, Dark Red. You should never ever do that at all. For that, you're grounded for 3 months. When you get out of jail, you will head straight to your room and think about what you did to Joe Brown and Alexander. We're leaving now. See you in 3 months.
I can't believe I'm in jail for turning Joe Brown into a giant by making him sneeze and threw Alexander on his shoulder. Can this get any worse than this? Bye.